let's talk about longitudinal waves. Longitudinal wave causes the particles in a medium to move parallel to the direction that the waves travel. So, if the particles in a medium, move parallel to the direction that the wave travel, this is a longitudinal wave. We were talking about the transverse wave. Transverse wave, they are moving what? Perpendicular to the direction of the wave travels. So if the particles in the medium move parallel to the direction of the wave, this is longitudinal. If they are moving perpendicular to the direction of the wave, this is transverse wave, okay? So note that the produces regions in the spring where the coils are closer together than they are in the rest position, and regions where they are farther apart, as you see in this coil for example. So how we can create a longitudinal wave by using this coil? As you see, we have here area. These springs are or these coils are apart from each other, but these are closer to each other. So the area which the coils are apart from each other, we called it as rarefaction. And if they are closer to each other, so this is compression. So again, rarefaction, compression. So this is how the transverse waves moving, longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves, we have rarefaction and compression. But in transverse, we have what? Very good, we have crests and troughs, okay? So the section of a longitudinal wave where the particle in the medium are closest together like this one, this is what? This is compression. The region of longitudinal wave where the particles farther apart from each other, this is what? This is rarefaction. So let's see, this is a back and forth movement of the hand on the left produces a longitudinal wave that travels to the right. So if you moved your hand back and forth, okay, so you will produce a longitudinal wave. So let's see, this is the first wave, consists of rarefaction and compression. So this is a wave makes the coil with the yarn move to the right as the compression of the wave reaches. So how we can see how the wave is moving from one place to another. As you see, this compression were here, but now it's here. So this is the motion. This is the direction of the movement and the motion of the coil. As you see, it was here and now it's here. Okay, so again, now it's here. The wave makes the coil with the yarn move to the left as the rarefaction of the wave reaches the coil. Okay, so this is how it is moving also. The coil with the yarn returns to its original position after the wave passes. As you see, after that, this is the compression, and the coil with the yarn return to its original position when all waves are passes or are pass. Okay. So this is again longitudinal waves consist of rarefaction and compression. Okay, as you see, this is the rarefaction and this is the compression. So this wave is transferred from this place to this place, and there are, as you see, this is the direction how it is moving, and this is the direction of how you're shaking your hand. So they are with the same direction, so they are parallel to each other. Okay, now let's